Hello lovelies, today we are going to learn how to cut a round skirt. We have our fabric here, my zigzag scissors, it prevents rough edges, tape roll, chalk, and this is the measurement we are dealing with today. This is the customer's measurement. Her waist is 24 and the length of the skirt is 17. And this is how the skirt is going to look like. If you don't know how to take body measurements, watch the previous video I posted on my YouTube channel so you have a better understanding. So let's start. I'm going to fold my fabric into 4, right side facing right side, so all my markings, chalk markings, will be on the wrong side. Let me just illustrate what I did. This is our fabric. We have the long side, and this part is kind of short, but regardless, we are going to fold it this way into 2 and take this side and fold it this way. So that's what I just did here. Again, I'll fold it first into 2 and fold it this way. That's what you are seeing here. For this skirt, we only need 2 measurements, which is the waist and the length of the skirt. The waist here is 24. We are going to divide this 24 by 4. That's 24 divided by 4. But this skirt will have a zipper at the back, so we'll add 2 for allowance, plus 2, plus 2. 24 plus 2, that's 26. We are going to divide this 26 now by 4. You can do it on your phone or use the tape rule to do that. Take the edge of this tape rule, and place it on 26. Place it on 26. Find the midpoint here. I have 13. I'll repeat the same process one more time. I'll take the edge of this tape rule, place it on 13, and find the midpoint here. What do I have? I have 6.5. So this 6.5 is what I'll be using. And on the fabric, I'm going to start my measurements here on the folded edge. On the folded edge here. That's what I have here on this folded edge. So I'll place my tape rule in such a way that I will have 6.5 exactly. You place it in a C curve to get 6.5. Okay, I have 6.5. I'll just mark here with my chalk. I'll just mark here. What do I have here? I have here 4. It's the same thing here, 4. So I'll mark 4 in a circular form. Okay. So this right here is my waist. It's my waist measurement, the 6.5. This is the 6.5. When you open it, you will have 26. That's 24 for your waist and the 2 inches for the zipper. Now the length of my skirt. The length of my skirt is 17. But we have a band here. And the band is going to be 2 inches. So I have my 2 inches here. I'll place it directly on the chalk line. I'll place it here on this chalk line and mark my 17. I don't know if you can see, and mark 17 here. 17. I don't know if you can see it. I'll still place the 2 on the chalk line and mark 17 in a circular form. 17. 17. So I'm going to connect all those points to get a circular shape. I'm done connecting the points together, but instead of marking 17 exactly on the material, you can add 1 inch to it for allowance for it to fold in. But I'll be using bias tape, that's why I marked the 17. I don't have enough fabric here. My fabric is not that enough, that's why I marked 17 exactly on the fabric. So I'll be using my zigzag scissors to cut these areas where the chalk lines are. I'll be using this zigzag scissors to cut. So do you see the edge? Very neat. And this area too. This is what we have after opening one edge. We open one edge to fix the zip. The skirt is coming out gradually. So let's get back to business. The next step is for us to cut the band of this skirt. When cutting the skirt, you know we left 2 inches behind. We left 2 inches. We are going to make use of that 2 inches now to cut the band. So our band or our waist measurement is 24, and we added 2 inches for zipper allowance. So 24 plus 2 is 26. From the edge here, we are going to mark 26 till we get to 26. We have 26 here. We are going to mark here with our chalk 26. Okay, now we are going to place, okay, let me just do it this way. We are going to place the edge of this. We are going to place the edge of this tape rule upwards and mark 2 inches. Instead of marking 2 inches, we are still going to sew it on the skirt, the main skirt. So let's do it 2.5. 2.5. Here is 2.5 here. So we are going to sew it with this 1/2 inch. After sewing, we will still get to these 2 inches. So 2.5. The 2 is the band and the 1/2 inch is for sewing allowance. 2.5. I'll mark it till it gets to my waist measurement, which is 26. 2.5. Okay, I'll connect all these points together and cut this area. So here I'm going to cut here. This is the band. This is how to cut a round skirt. So watch out for my next video on how I'm going to stitch the skirt.